Yo, what's going on? It's your man Brandon Carter.
And Bella,
And
what's good?
hey, listen, people have been asking me, Brandon, how'd you build your successful fitness business? I got like 15 employees, big office here in Manhattan on the Upper West Side, and I'm gonna show you guys 4 ways to build your fitness business. If you want more help with that, I have a book called Six Pack to Six Figures, all about how to build your successful fitness business. The link is in the description of this. But let's get into who's ready to know the 4 ways. Who's ready to know 4 ways? Let's go. Let's say we have, this is like a little graph. And this is gonna symbolize stuff that actually makes you a lot of money in your fitness business. And then here, this is gonna be stuff that doesn't make money. Your one money sign. Right here, this is the stuff that helps a few people. On this side is gonna be the stuff that helps many people. And the reason we're doing this graph is because the reason you want to do a fitness business is, one, is fitness because you probably like helping people. If you're into fitness, you're probably into helping people accomplish their goals. And that's why I got into it. But at the same time, a lot of trainers don't make a lot of money. So it's fitness business because presumably you want to make money off of it. And if you're not making money, you don't have a business, you got a hobby. On this graph, we have stuff that makes you a lot of money, stuff that doesn't make you a lot of money, stuff that helps a few people, stuff that helps many people. Bella, what's something that helps many people, but it doesn't make you a lot of money as a trainer?
A lot of money. Probably like social media.
Social media, right? So social media in itself is not a great way to try to make money with a fitness business. You can make some money off of YouTube, but unless you have millions of subscribers, it's not gonna be a whole bunch of money. I couldn't live off that, not here in Manhattan, you know what I'm saying? Not off this alone. That's one thing, but you can. But the key is you can get a lot of reach, and you can actually help a lot of people. But it doesn't accomplish both goals. You can get some sponsorships or whatever. I teach my students how to build their social media presence as well. I got over 1.5 million Facebook fans, 6 figures on Instagram, 150 million views on YouTube, and I go over that, how to do that in the book, Six Pack to Six Figures, link in the description. All right, so social media, that's one. What's something that helps? It helps a few people and it doesn't make you a lot of money.
It could be something like a book, like an ebook.
Yeah, like if you're selling your ebook, unless you have like millions of followers again, or hundreds of thousands of followers, you're not gonna make a lot of money selling an ebook. And if you didn't make a lot of money doing it, it means that it didn't help a lot of people, right? You probably didn't get it in the hands of a lot of people unless you're like really good at Facebook ads or you have a big following. But if you're just some person starting, you're gonna be here. So it's probably not the move. Honestly, it's probably not the move. It's the easiest thing to put together. Anybody can just slap together an ebook. And even if people buy it, let's say a bunch of people do buy it, you can't sell it for much, so you won't make a lot of money. The average ebook sells for $10. And then, how many ebooks have you read? You know what I'm saying? How many of you downloaded and not read? So it's probably not gonna help a lot of people. Okay, what's something that helps few people, but it can also make you a lot of money?
It could be like training in person.
Yeah, if you're training in person, you might be able to make a decent living doing that. I was an in-person trainer for years before YouTube was invented. Back before Facebook started, when it was called the Facebook. Before then, I'm 36. I've been doing this for 20 years, in-person training. I started training people in person when I was 16. There's only so many hours in a day. So let's say you work 8 hours a day. Let's say you're just booked with clients every hour. The max people you can help is 8. So it doesn't accomplish both goals. We got the sweet spot. What's something that can make you a lot of money and you can help many people? Do you know the answer? Great! Bella, tell them.
It's online training.
Online training. See, the reason this can help many people and it makes you a lot of money is because when you're doing in-person training, you're exchanging time for money, right? And there's only so much hours in the day. But on online training, you're exchanging what? Results for money. And if people, all they care about is getting results. They don't care how long it took you to get them those results, as long as they get them. Online training, it kind of accomplishes all these goals. You can help more people and you can make money. Everything else kind of has a drawback. Does that make sense, guys? I actually show you how to do this in my new book, Six Pack to Six Figures. It's dropping on the 25th. You can get on the VIP notification list now. The link is somewhere in the description. We only printed out a certain amount of copies of this, right? It's a physical book, and when they're gone, they're gone. I don't know when I'll put it back again. So if you want to be on the VIP list, click the link in the description, get on the list right now. Make sure you can get it. So you can actually learn how to do this. Because if you're down here, you're just struggling. I know a lot of people with actually big followings, like hundreds of thousands of followers, and they don't,
They don't know how to convert that.
They don't know how to monetize it. And then I know a lot of great trainers who are really good at their job, but they can't really get everything they want. Online training is the key to getting all those things. Here's the thing, if you sign up for the VIP list, you'll actually get some bonuses. You'll get it for a different price than people gonna get it who are not on the list. So you wanna join that. All right, so let's say you're somebody who's been doing social media. What you wanna do is you wanna actually use this social media to get online clients. See, a lot of people think they want to use it to get endorsements or to get sponsored, but that ain't gonna make you a lot of money, man. It's inconsistent, it's all over the place. And then you're still dependent on someone else. Here you make your own, you use social media, right? Not try to make money off YouTube ads or YouTube money. You use it to promote your online business, you see? But you can still help people, but because you're helping so many people, they'll be like, man, I would like to get more information from them. And you have some for them, because you actually can't give away online training. You can't make a custom meal plan over the YouTube or over the Facebook or something. You can't make a custom workout plan over Instagram for someone, right? They have to be a client, right? It just makes sense. It's the next logical step. And if you're doing ebooks, right? You're trying to put out ebooks, trying to make money on that. You're probably not, right? Let's be real. Okay, so what you want to do is instead you want to just want to provide a better service. Like online training is a better service than giving someone some ebook you fucking slap together. You know what I'm saying? It's just a better service because one is custom and it's something made just for them. It's like the difference between buying a suit off the rack and then getting that tailored for you. You know what I'm saying? So just provide a better service. And if you're doing in-person training where you already know how to train people, right? So all you got to do is figure out how to move your business online, and then you get the best of both worlds. You get to help many people and make more money. Does this make sense? And how many people you want to help is up to you. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it, how to turn your in-person business into online training business in the book, 6 Pack 6 Figures, how to use social media to get the clients, right? That's in the book, and just how to provide a better service. What do you offer people? How do you structure your programs? How do you structure your sales? How do you do your marketing? I'll show you all how to do it, 6 Pack 6 Figures. Sign up for the VIP notification list now. And here's the thing, you don't even need a whole lot of clients to make a lot of money. If you had 25 clients, oh, I should have Bella do this.
Want me to take over?
Yeah, 25 clients. All right, listen, I have dyslexia, all right? Clinically diagnosed. If you make fun of me, it's basically a hate crime, all right? 25 clients. That's all, if you just had that. And let's say you got them to pay you $80 a week. That's not unreasonable. Here in Manhattan, in the gym, what do trainers charge in Manhattan, in-person trainers in Manhattan?
Like an average trainer.
Put the dollar sign on it. I know y'all don't have dollar signs in Denmark. Y'all have like little waffles instead of dollar signs. All right, like how much say they charge in person?
Like, let's say like an average is probably like
Like $100, yeah. If you go to like Crunch or New York Sports Club, it's like $100 an hour, and you got to see them like 3 times a week. So it's $150, right? This is way cheaper per week. You're actually giving them a lower price, a better deal, right? Let's say you have 25 clients, $80 a week, and let's say you kept the average of 25. Let's say you're just being modest. You weren't even going that hard. You kept an average of 25 clients paying you $80 a week for 52 weeks, right? 52 weeks, right? How much is that? You got any math wizards in there? Any math wizards? I'm gonna tell you exactly how much it is. It is $104,000 a year. Now you're making, like, it's like what doctors make, like just starting out. But you ain't gotta cut nobody open, ain't nobody sneezing on you. You know what I'm saying? And you didn't have to go to school for 8 years, right? 25 clients paying you $80 a week for 52 weeks, $104,000 a year. You can get 25 clients. And I'm gonna show you exactly how. My new book, 6 Pack to 6 Figures. You want to get on that VIP notification list now because it's a physical copy. It ain't an ebook. We're only printing up so many, so you want to make sure you don't miss out. This is the formula. Is this all making sense? I feel like I'm crushing it. All right. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how to sell these things. Like, I'm gonna give you more. Like, how do you sell it? What do you offer? But those of you who want to jump to the front of the line, don't want to wait for the next video, get the book right now. All right, or at least sign up for the VIP notification list so you make sure you can get it when it drops on the 25th. All right. Peace.